Sorry, I've got different production things going on here, as you can see by the colours. I would like to recommend Bananagrams. No, I've not been sponsored by them. I wish. It's like freeform Scrabble, and every house, like Monopoly, invents their own rules. And I wouldn't recommend them for children to play against them, but play with them. And then they can. It comes with a zip. I've just undone the zip, and it's got these rather nice little tiles. They feel nice, and they slide around. And then what we do is we turn them all face down, and then we take out 9 at a time, and we have to make a word use up all the letters. And as soon as you've used up all the letters, you shout peel, and then everybody grabs another tile, and then you try and add that in. And then as soon as someone's got it, you go peel, and the first one to finish goes Bananagrams. And then everybody else checks that all their words are sensible words. But it's quite a good one for spelling and, looking at those words. So you would have like on, one, tone, where you just sort of at, oat, moat, moats, and then you might want the A for something else, and the S, so you could rearrange and then go most. You can rearrange it as often as you like. You don't have to just do one letter at a time or something, or take turns, so you can constantly shuffle. As well to do it with an adult and get better that way rather than being tested and fail, because that's no fun, is it? No fun at all. Bananagrams, my game recommendation. Bye.